Whoever stole my burger?
Stop! Stop!
Had you stole burger?
John.
Yes. Do you know stealing is sin? You did sin.
Sorry.
Don't say sorry to me. Say sorry to God. And don't do this again. I am getting late. Mom is waiting. Hey, Buck.
Whole day you spoiled with dirty animal.